Good day to you all. Welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time you are coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe. Click on the notification button so that anytime that I drop a video, you will get the notification, because I am going to treat an amazing topic that people have been asking me of today. What is the topic of today? 7 powerful ways to make your enemies afraid of you without speaking a word. I mean, without speaking a word. Is it possible? Some people may ask, is it possible to achieve this without shouting, without fighting? Yes, it's possible. Just imagine walking inside a room or a hall where you have that your enemy that have been on your neck. Yes, that's your enemy that has been on your neck, that has been humiliating you up and down, seated, and suddenly go quiet. Not because you shouted, not because you fought back. No, it is because of your presence. Your presence alone speaks louder than voice. Yes. Today, I am going to show you 7 powerful ways to achieve this. Yes, and these methods are based on 3 principles that are rooted in psychology. They are also rooted in body language. You know, body language. They are rooted in unshakable confidence. You can see that there are some certain level that you need to grow yourself, so that when you come out, your enemies will be on your feet. Yes, watch till the end, because the last one is a game changer and it will blow your mind. The first one is eye contact. I mean eye contact. Your eyes can intimidate more than 1,000 words. Hold steady eye contact, not too long, no, not too aggressive, no, but hold firm and calm eye contact. This projects dominance. By doing it, it will project dominance and calmness. It will make people that see you, they will begin to second guess themselves. A steady gaze shows you are not shaking. When you have a steady gaze, it shows that you are not shaking. Yes. Second one, silence is powerful. When you become silent all of a sudden, those that have finished thinking that you will burst out as usual and start ranting, all of a sudden they see you go silence. The loudest person is often the weakest. How? Your silence can be terrifying to your enemies. When you choose not to react or argue, it signals control. Yes, when everybody is seated, waiting to hear from you, waiting to get your reaction, all of a sudden you give them a simple smile and just move on. They will become confused and start thinking. And when they begin to wonder what is going on, it will bring uncertainty, and that uncertainty will breed fear in them. Can you see? You can see the strategy. Yes. Then the third one is unshakable body language. Yes, how will you have unshakable body language? Wait, because I am coming to that. You have to stand tall. You will have to practice all this and make them become you. Yes, you will have a lot of practice to do. You will stand tall, keep your shoulder back up, and you chest open. You just do chest out. And every step you take will now show the purpose. Each step you move is going to show purpose. Can you see? Make sure that each step you take will show purpose. Even when you say nothing, your posture alone screams strength. People fear those who looks unmovable because they represent resilience. The fourth one is we use strategic smile. As I'm smiling now, you just use strategic smile. A calm, mysterious smile when everybody is expecting you to be angry or unsettled or unsettling. When something happens and everybody is expecting you to be angry and to start shouting, ha, and you just quietly give them strategic smile, ha, mysterious smile, and just move on. Smile says, I know everything you don't know. That is what that smile means. So that smile that you give them says, I know everything that you don't know. And that quiet confidence is more terrifying than shouting back. That quiet confidence you put there is more terrifying than shouting back. The fifth one is consistency of character. You just hold yourself, you make sure you remain upright, unshakable, and the calm. You just control yourself all the time. That character alone will scare your enemy. It will scare a living hell out of your enemy. Yes. And another one is silent success. When you are achieving many things in life, please don't broadcast it. Make sure that anything you achieve, anything you do, you confide them. Let them now see it being lived out in you. Let them see those success begin to manifest in you. That is when they will be very shocked and it will scare them. It's going to scare them and it's going to make them worried, and they will keep on arguing that what is going on. We are not predicting this person anymore. So the seventh one is presence that command respect. Each time that you are present, always command respect, because you don't shout, you don't fight with them. You now carry yourself in a certain way, and the aura that you carry, the energy, the positivity in you will always suppress them. Please remember to turn on the notification button, share my video, subscribe, comment. I want you to comment which of this strategy that you will begin today. Please do well to share it so that many people will see it and learn all these things to be able to be courageous.